we know what people say, and it's true that we Igbos, we are from Israel. It's true, but I don't want to go to details. It's true that we are from Israel. It's true, that one is true. Now, if we are from Israel, why can't we worship the God of Israel? Now let me come. When you read the Bible, sometimes you get the sometimes where Israel people will worship idol, and when they worship idol, God will leave their enemy to take over them, to punish them. And when they realize their mistake, say, "Oh Lord, forgive us." God will come and fight for them. And now, if you go for Israel, you know Israel, the majority of their religion, they are Jewish. And when you go to Israel, they lead you. If you go to Israel, they lead you. You cannot see the lead Jew bring any idol, they worship and say this one no, this one no. There are some of the ancestors of Edom, they died. So all these people when they talk say we are from Israel, we are going back to our root. If you are going back to our root, go straight to Yahweh, go straight to Elohim Adonai, go straight to Jehovah and worship God Almighty. Don't go back to worship idol. If you say that you are Igbo, we are from Israel. If you are from Israel, go and worship the God of Israel. Don't worship idol. So some Israel people will worship those idols. God himself destroyed them in the wilderness. But even the way they worship Queen of Heaven and all this, God destroyed them. God killed them. So if you are Igbos, you are saying that we are from Israel, go and worship the God of Israel. Go and worship King of Kings, the light of the world, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Go and worship him. Forget all these things that people are saying. So this is a message I want to pass to all my Igbo brothers and sisters. So because the thing is too much, we are going back to our root. You go back to our root, go back to God. But if you go back to idol, you are not going back to our root. So that's it. If you say we are going back to our root, go back to God. God is if you say that you are Igbo man and you say that we are from Israel, go and worship the God of Israel. Go and worship God of Israel. So all these people that just come blink or for they do all this ababakata say we are going. No. These people, they are like Israel people that worship idol. God killed them. They are like those people. So let us face God. It's only God can bring salvation, will bring liberty and freedom to Igbos. So that's the only thing I want to tell my Igbo brother and sister. Let us return back and worship Jesus Christ of Nazareth. That's what I can say.
Thank you so much. That reminds me of our recent postures, Igbo posture. That this Christianity self, let it go. This Christianity, let it go. This is not our tradition. I like your point, Evangelist Ebube Joseph.
Okay.
If we want to really return to our roots, we should talk about the God of Israel and not all of these vain things. You are right. Yeah. I'm so grateful for your coming. Like I said, we will invite you here again several times, not just once, to speak on certain matters as related to this one.